Hi guys, Miguel here. Been some time since I don't do a recap, so I'm going over a trade that I took during Asia this Friday. I usually don't trade Asia, but I was awake and the opportunity set it up, so I tried to take it and it worked. So what I saw here was that after price taking out this liquidity here on the 4 hours, we reacted to this buy to sell wicks. It's a 15 minutes POI here that swept liquidity. You can see we have this, then first reaction to these demands, we swept this high and then we broke this zone, keep going to broken some more zones. So I was happy to play it when price reached this zone. So here, as you can see, price reacted, then demand started to fail on the 15 minutes. I started seeing this demand also failed here. So on the 1 minute, I was wondering what happened here. So I saw this bearish PA, price was breaking demands all over. We broke this before we have been respecting supply. Supply kept being respected. We started forming a chain from here. Then I saw, well, price broke this, and as soon as price broke this, I was happy to take a trade from this zone. We have this as inducement. Price didn't really tap my zone. We broke lower. Price then came back and I smashed it market here. I was covering this high because this was the last sweep. I didn't know if price would have wanted to come higher and take out this, because I don't usually trade Asia, so I don't really know the volatility or how it respects the zones, but it seems that it respects it very nice from what I've been seeing lately. And my target was this 15 minutes demand zone. I had this zone marked more as a CPB, although we were bullish on the 15 minutes. I believe that price would have come lower to then keep going, or maybe tap this zone and go down. We still to find out that maybe next week we have some more definition on price. My TP wasn't quite here because it was a very small TP, so I wondered what happened inside this zone. And inside this zone, as you can see, we have nothing here. We have this sweep of this low. Price then supply failed here. We started to build a chain, and I was happy to TP here, although price went to this low, but I wanted to assure my profits, so I TP'd this zone. Regarding the entry, as you can see, we had demand holding here, supply was holding also. We had a supply chain. We saw internal demands starting to fail and demand always being respected. So I was waiting to see, I wanted to see a sweep. We had this sweep, this is the reaction to these demands. Price reacts, broke these demands, then price comes up. It didn't react to really anything specific, this buy to sell wicks, but it swept. The important thing is that it swept this zone here. And then we had on this internal inside name, on this inside bar, we have this week. I wanted to justify this movement, why price stopped here. Price then came back, kept respecting some kind of supply here, came lower, broke this. After breaking this, we have a small reaction here. We kept breaking lows, so I was happy to take a trade here. Why? Because it was the first reaction and the first demand that broke, and it was unmitigated. Also, we had this sweep here that price could come to visit to then drop. That's why I covered this high. And as soon as price reached my zone, I entered market. My entry was right here on this extreme. Then my break even, as you know, I break even from the catalyst for the entry. As soon as price broke that, I went to bed. Honestly, I didn't even saw what was happening. I woke up the next day and my trade had its TP. That's all. I hope you take some value from it. It's been a long time. I'll try to do more recaps on the next week and the next week to come. I hope you have taken some value from it. Wish you all a great weekend and hope you had a great trading week. Bye bye.